I feel something. Ah. Okay, let's save it. Okay. Oh my god. The wind. Trying to save you. Okay, come with me to work. But she's trying to fly away. Okay. She can stay there. I hope she don't get squished. So beautiful. I hope she don't fly away now. Hey there. Now I'm gonna use glove. She's beautiful though. Look how beautiful she is. Come on. Hopefully. Don't go. I think she's gonna do fine there. At least she's not gonna be squished. Okay, little friend. Stay there. Yes? Let's put it there. Okay, now she don't wanna let me go? Alright.